the culprit. He's walking this way. He knows you're there. She's gonna pick him up.
Holy crap, I'm a cannibal.
Did he try to bite you?
Yeah.
Tickle him. Hear the noise he makes?
Yeah. I'm so funny.
So gonna post this.
She's gonna bite her foot.
Chase him that way, Jackie.
Oh, it's gonna bite your feet.
Chase him that way, Jackie. You want a broom? I don't want him to come back over. Be gone with you.
I didn't know they bite.
Anything. Anything with a mouth can bite.
Just. Oh. He tried to bite me. He was like.
I wonder why.
I deserved it.